guess that's what I'm gonna call it today. But yeah, if you want to see how I made this drink, make sure you stay tuned and like and subscribe to my channel. What? Alright guys, to make the gummy worm vodka, we are going to be using New Amsterdam. So I'm going to put the exact measurements below. So first you're going to do is you're going to add some vodka. Next, I'm going to use Master of Mixes Sweet and Sour. Yeah, my little novel don't really fit on here, so excuse me if it spills. You know, a girl is messy a little bit, but it's okay. So you're going to add some sweet and sour mix into it. I told you I was going to spill, but oh well. Messes happen. Okay, you guys, I cleaned up my mess, so right now I'm going to add the pineapple juice I bought from the dollar store the other day. I'm going to add some pineapple juice into here. You just see me pouring. I already know this is going to be good. Anybody else like pineapple juice like me? I could really just drink pineapple juice and vodka at the club and just be set with life. But yeah, I'm going to add some pineapple juice to the mix. Shake, 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 Shimura, something, something, something. Oh, that commercial? Oh, snap. Dropping stuff. But shake, 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 Shimura, something, something, something. That's why I got another cup, because I know I'll be dropping stuff. Shake, 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 shake. So after you shake and don't drop your cups like me, you're going to get some Grenadine. And you're going to put it at the bottom. Make sure you add a lot. Then you're going to get some ice. And you're going to put it in your cup. So just add an ice into your cup. Make sure you add enough, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some gummy worms inside. And then I'm going to add some on top. So I think I added too much ice. But just counting how much ice I add. So just putting the ice on the bottom. Make sure you add enough gummy worms to make it look pretty. You know. Then you're gonna get your nice lovely drink. You're gonna take the little shot part off and you're gonna pour slowly like such. Y'all, this looks so pretty. It looks really, really pretty. Ooh, nigga added too much ice. Let's see. I added too much ice, so it didn't really fill up all the way. So I'm just gonna add some more pineapple juice. And I'm gonna add some more liquor. So if I lost you in this part of the tutorial, it's okay. I'm gonna have the exact measurements below. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna top it off with some more gummies. This drink is really easy. And there it is. A gummy drink. And it looks cute. Like, I'm gonna go outside and take a picture of this, y'all, because it looks real cute. All right, now for the moment of truth. Is it good or is it nasty? Is it good? Is it nasty? It's definitely strong, but it's pretty good. It's real good, actually. I can sit here and drink this all day. And this is real cute for like the 4th of July, Labor Day. It's just real cute to make for you and your friends. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.